What do you think about my outfit? I think it looks like the dessert we're gonna make today, strawberry shortcake. Hi guys, welcome back to another Bunnie Cakes video. Today we're making strawberry shortcake inspired by my favorite character when I was a child. This is an American classic and today we're gonna make it pink. To start off this cake, we're going to use our ready-to-bake Bunnie Cakes vegan cake batter. 2 cups of fresh strawberries, whole and sliced, and 1 tablespoon of Florida Crystals granulated sugar. For the whipped cream, we'll be using vegan coconut whipped cream. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees as always and grease a 2-inch round pan with cooking spray or vegan butter. Pour Bunnie Cakes vegan cake batter in the pan and bake in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. While your cake is baking, get started on the strawberry filling. In a small bowl, toss together the sliced strawberries and Florida Crystals granulated sugar. Once your cake has baked, take it out of the oven and set it aside to cool. Now that your cake has cooled, it is ready to be assembled. Use a serrated knife to level each layer of cake. Place 1 layer of cake on a serving plate and spread the strawberry filling and the whipped cream evenly over it. You can make your own designs and place the strawberries as you like. Then cover the other half of the cake, kind of like a strawberry sandwich. Grab your whipped cream and spoon it over the top of the cake, spreading it out evenly. We are going to grab some dry strawberries and blend them to make a pink powder. You can sprinkle this powder over the whipped cream to give it a pink tint, and then garnish it with some more fresh strawberries. Wow, it's ready. And now we are done and ready to enjoy this beautiful pink strawberry shortcake. Don't forget to tag us if you make the cake and share with us your photos. And if you love this content and want to see more, subscribe to our channel below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next one.